Welcome to our channel. Netgear WAX615 Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 Access Point WAX615 to 100NAS Setup. Unbox and power it up. Grab the WAX615, the power adapter, or a PO injector if you're using PO. Plug it in. You'll see lights blink. Don't panic. That's normal. Let it boot for a minute or two. Connect to your computer. Use an Ethernet cable to plug the access point into your router or switch. You can't really set this up over Wi-Fi yet. Keep it wired for now. Find its IP. Your router assigns it an IP via DHCP. Log into your router's web interface and look for something called WAX615, or check the list of connected devices. Note the IP. Log in to the AP. Open a browser and punch in the IP you just found. Default credentials are usually admin, password. Change that password immediately, don't be lazy. Quick Setup Wizard. Once in, hit the Quick Setup or Basic Setup option. You'll be asked for a network name, SSID, and password. Go dual band or separate 2.45 GHz if you like control. Set security. Pick WPA3 if you can. If some of your devices are old, WPA2, WPA3 mixed mode works too. Avoid WEP, it's ancient and useless. Check firmware. Before you get too comfy, hit the firmware page. If it's old, update it. It usually fixes weird bugs, improves speed, and keeps hackers away. Don't skip this step. Test it. Disconnect the cable and try connecting with a phone or laptop. Check both bands. Speed's decent? Good. No drops? Even better. If something's weird, reboot and recheck IP, DHCP settings. Thank you for watching.